Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Sun-ho's fortune analysis. Kim Sun-ho had a lot of requests for a fortune analysis with other people. This time, at the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber, only Kim Sun-ho was able to analyze it separately. Kim Sun-ho's fortune is very simple and powerful. Let's analyze it together. Kim Sun-ho's character is the sea. The ocean is characterized by water, steam, and ice, which do not show well inside. And he is very smart and has great collecting information. There are many abilities in the financial world, so they manage their popularity property well. Right below the letter referring to himself is the spouse's position, but Kim Sun-ho wants a spouse like a friend. Kim Sun-ho was born with a charm to fortune. His perception of his spouse is just below the letter that refers to him. The fact that the spouse's position is attractive is that the spouse is attractive, and Kim Sun-ho, who has the letters, is also very attractive. This attraction is a long-lasting attraction that becomes more and more likable as time goes by. And Kim Sun-ho has two letters that make him live a hard life. However, since the actor has many roles, this problem is solved by living in an indirect life, not in his own life. He seems to have chosen the acting career path well. Kim Sun-ho has the same energy as himself, and there is a competitor on the way to wealth with a woman. Unfortunately, this means there can be competition in drama roles and women's issues. However, it means that Kim Sun-ho's competitive spirit is strong because it is a letter in his fortune. Kim Sun-ho's woman is very bright and smart because the letter meaning woman is the sun. Seawater and the sun meet and created a collision, which is not a problem because it is a very developmental and good collision. Also, the spirit of being nice to women is coming up from the bottom, which means being a good husband to his spouse. This letter also gives Kim Sun-ho an artistic temperament. Kim Sun-ho has a very simple and business-like temperament. This means a life in which one's direct activities and efforts are given as a result, such as popularity and wealth, without necessarily doing business. Kim Sun-ho had a hard time when he was young, but since he was 29 years old, he has been blessed with people's attention and help from his superiors. He's getting very lucky. Marriage is a time for competitors to weaken and will likely be after 39 years of age. Be happy and healthy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.